thoughts, you just can't leave me alone.
Can't help it. Close your mouth though.
Howdy doody folks, welcome back to my weird, wonderful, wacky channel. My name is Kaylee and I'm your hostess with the ghostess. Today I'm showing you how I created this pink and purple bat look. Angry bat look. Cartoon angry bat look. Quite the description. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy. So I'm actually going to begin with how I made the ears, since I already had those done before I started doing the makeup. So I'm using 5 different acrylic paint colors: white, light pink, magenta, dark purple, and black. I'm painting these on regular sketchbook paper that I cut after measuring my ears, and used a couple different reference photos to make a more weird, wacky, and pink, so kind of kooky, more exaggerated bat ear that was to my liking for this project. Now, when I began doing this look, I actually was going in a more realistic route, so I was trying to create more of a realistic bat illusion, which you can see me painting on my face right now. I was getting pretty uncomfortable with the illusion that I was doing at first, and I think I realized that I was trying to do a makeup look that I just was not comfortable with. It's something that I don't do regularly, so I wasn't very comfortable as I kept moving through doing the makeup. And even though I ended up changing the look and taking this makeup off and changing it altogether, I think it's important to show us artists that you don't have to go with the concept you were originally going to go with, and it's totally fine to sketch something entirely different. So I ended up sitting and doing some sketching. Here's the sketch I did, and then this is the sketch I decided to go with for the new look. So I started by taking off the old foundation where I was trying to do the illusions, layering my cream foundation down all across my face and making sure that it was pressed into my pores. Next, of course, just taking a beauty sponge and blending this all out. Now, drag really plays with the concept of really high definition of new contours and new highlights on your face. So here I'm taking a white cream foundation for the high points of my face, and then a lavender and pink cream foundations mixed together to create the new contours of my face. I'm blending these with the same sponge as earlier, and then setting this all with a translucent powder. I'm taking a white powder and using this to form the new highlights of my face, as well as brushing away the excess powder once it is done setting. Using a hot pink eyeshadow, I am redefining the contours of my face that I laid in earlier with the lavender and pink cream foundation. On a small angled brush, I'm taking a light pink eyeshadow and just gently sketching in the new shapes of the jowls, mouth, teeth, nose, and eye sockets that I will be drawing in later. With a purple eyeshadow, I'm now deepening the contours of my face, the new contours of my face, by using a blending brush and lightly blending it out. Now I am filling in the new nose shape with the same light pink eyeshadow I used to sketch in the new face shapes. And redefining the new nostrils with that hot pink eyeshadow that I used earlier as the base for my contour. I'm beginning to highlight and contour the nose to make it a little bit more realistic in 3D by using a white and purple eyeshadow. I'm now filling in the puffy eyes by using that light pink eyeshadow on a blending brush, and starting to create the highlights, the new contours, and just redefining the new teeth that I'm drawing onto my face with black, white, and the light pink eyeshadows. It's best to use matte shadows when you're trying to create a new illusion on your face, because then you don't have any light actually bouncing off or reflecting off of the volumes of your face. Now I'm taking some purple eyeshadow and deepening the new contours of my face, and using a white and black felt tip liner to redefine and sharpen some of the lines of the eyes and mouth. I'm going to make the nostrils also more sunken in by using that same black felt tip liner. I'm using the matte light pink eyeshadow on a pencil and fluffy blending brush to buff out the edges around the eyes and jowls. And with the white highlighting powder I used earlier, I'm going to reset some of the highlights of my face, redefining from the light pink, and taking a black eyeshadow to deepen the inside of the mouth and the nostrils. With the hot pink and purple eyeshadows, I'm going to once again go over the contours of my face, which allows me to slowly build up the depth over the course of creating this look. I'm creating an angled masculine brow by using the light pink shadow towards the front of the brow and the purple shadow towards the tail. We're using those same shadows to create a furrowed brow bone, as well as blending out the nostrils and some of the depths and new dimension in the nose. On a very small, tight pencil brush, I'm concentrating black eyeshadow in the contours of the face, around the eyes to create a puffy eye illusion, on the tails of the eyebrows, under the eye, and in the corners of the mouth. At this point, the teeth seem too flat to me, so I'm using black shadow to create a conical shadow on the teeth. This is to make sure the teeth actually look like they have volume to them, instead of them just being flat against your mouth. I'm now giving my eyelashes a light coating of mascara to help them blend into the rest of the look. And one of my favorite parts of the makeup process is adding highlights with the white felt tip liner. This is what I think truly makes the makeup look like a drawing, by adding these lines that really look like you're adding gel pen highlights to your face. The next few steps basically consist of going back and forth between shadows and felt tip liners to create the deepest points and most highlighted points of the face. Now my favorite step that seems to be a staple in all of the looks that I do is taking white cream paint on a very small brush and exaggerating the highest points of the face, and also making the face look a little bit shiny. With my black shadow, I'm drawing directly onto the paper bat ears and just deepening the fold of the ear. Once I'm satisfied, I'm just taking those and lightly curling them behind my ears, and that's how we create this look. Thanks so much to my twin and collaborator who provided these final photos, and shout out to my stylist who made my hair pink. You can find both of their Instagrams in the description below. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta.